Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a premium home barista machine designed for people who want hands-on control, cafe-quality results, and modern versatility, the Longhi Specialista Arte Evo Espresso machine. This machine is built for true coffee enthusiasts. At its core is an integrated precision grinder, allowing you to grind fresh beans directly before extraction. Fresh grinding preserves volatile oils in coffee beans, which directly improves aroma, flavor complexity, and crema quality. You can adjust grind size depending on the roast and drink style, just like in a professional cafe. One of the standout features of the Arte Evo is its cold brew capability. Unlike traditional cold brew methods that take 12 to 24 hours, this machine prepares cold brew style coffee in minutes using optimized extraction parameters. This makes it perfect for iced coffee lovers who want smooth, low-acidity drinks without long waiting times. The machine uses active temperature control, ensuring water stays within the ideal espresso extraction range. Stable temperature is critical because too hot leads to bitterness, while too cool causes under-extraction and sour taste. This consistency helps you pull balanced espresso shots every time. Longhi includes a professional steam wand, giving you full manual control over milk texturing. You can create silky microfoam for lattes or thicker foam for cappuccinos. Manual steaming also helps you learn real barista skills, making this machine ideal for users who want to improve technique rather than rely on automation. The Barista kit is another major advantage. It includes dosing and tamping tools that help ensure even coffee distribution and consistent tamp pressure. Proper tamping reduces channeling, which is a common cause of weak or uneven espresso extraction. Despite its advanced features, the Specialista Arte Evo maintains a compact footprint, making it suitable for home kitchens without sacrificing counter space. The build quality feels solid and premium, reflecting Longhi's long-standing reputation in espresso engineering. This machine is perfect for making espresso, lattes, cappuccinos, and iced coffee, all with cafe-level quality at home. It's an excellent choice for coffee lovers who want control, learning potential, and premium results without stepping into fully commercial machines. If you want a hands-on espresso experience with modern cold brew convenience, the Longhi Specialista Arte Evo is a fantastic investment. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the Amazon link below to get yours.